The Makita LXT cordless system is a one-battery system that takes you from power tools to outdoor power equipment to get the job done. From the job site to your home, Makita offers over 275 cordless products ready to use anytime, anywhere. Makita's battery-powered outdoor power equipment eliminates the hassles of gas with reduced maintenance, less noise, and zero emissions. The self-propelled cordless lawnmower makes mowing effortless. Cut non-stop for up to 2 miles. Featuring a 21-inch commercial-grade steel deck, use the quiet mode setting to reduce noise through constant speed control. A 3-in-1 multifunctional design allows for bagging, mulching, and side discharge. Now, quieter than ever, the cordless blower reaches speeds of 116 miles per hour. All that power is under your control with the cruise control lever. At 459 cubic feet per minute, it moves high volumes of air so cleanups go faster. The string trimmer has a direct drive brushless motor that delivers unstoppable power, high torque, and trims non-stop for over a mile. Get the speed you need with 2 settings. It's lighter weight than gas string trimmers. With instant starts, cordless chainsaws are ready to work when you are. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides power equivalent to a 32cc gas chainsaw. Engineered to work longer for up to 127 cuts of mesquite wood. Chain adjustments are made easy with no tools needed. The power head is compatible with a variety of optional couple shaft attachments with a lever-style lock system for quick toolless installation and replacement. With the world's largest professional cordless outdoor power equipment system, you can rule the outdoors. One system, endless possibilities. Makita.